I really admire people that are willing to try something new. You know those people that are always on a new adventure, they're always starting a new business, they're never really afraid to test out something they've never done before. But sometimes those things don't work out, so you have to know when to pivot. Welcome to DK Solutions Bizperation Top 5, where we feature tips on what we know works at the intersection of business and inspiration. My name is Christy Jackson. I am an entrepreneurship coach and speaker. If business strategy is the vehicle that drives your success, inspiration is the fuel. Today we're going to talk about 5 shifts to pivot your position. Shift number 1 is to shift your thinking. You want to shift from a guru mindset to a growth mindset. Be willing to unlearn old habits that are no longer productive and be willing to learn new ones. Shift number 2, shift your giving. What are you investing your time in? And are you seeing the return on the investment that you're making? If what you're doing is no longer working, stop giving your time, stop giving your attention, stop giving your resources to it, and shift what you are giving. Next, you want to shift your focus. Take your eyes off of what's working for other people and focus on you. Focus on what has worked, what is working, and make sure that you're continuing to do those things. Don't focus on those strategies that someone else is doing because it's working for them. It's not working for you. So shift your focus on you and off of other people. Fourth, you want to shift your circle. If you are the smartest person in the room, then you need to find a new room. You need to shift to the circle that you want to be in. Find people that are doing the things that you want to do and that are successful at them. So those are the shifts that you need to make in your circle. And I know it's not easy to leave people behind, but you have to know when it's time to pivot because that's the only way that you're going to change your position. Last, number 5 is you want to shift your time. Thinking about focusing your time and your attention on a values-based schedule. Make sure that your priorities are lining up with what it is, that position, that place, that opportunity that you're trying to grow to. If you're spending your time in spaces, on activities, on events that are not benefiting you where you are trying to grow to, you need to shift your time. Thanks for watching and share this video with someone that you know is ready to make a pivot and ready to change their position. Check out our website, Bizperation.com, for more resources for coaches, entrepreneurs, and leaders.